Oh yeah, gotta sign my work. There you go, made by Z. Turn my blowtorch on. So these are my latest creations. Set that hanging off the edge there. Couple, oh, sawdust. Man glitter gets on everything. Black walnut tea light holders. And these are finished with just butcher block oil, which is mainly just mineral oil. A couple other ingredients in it. All right. And then these. And these have a urethane coating on them. But I thought these were creative. This is going to be a set here, these three. I was going to make them with the slices here, but I thought that this might be a little nicer. But yeah, check those candle holders out. And this is black walnut and maple. Both of these are black walnut and maple. And I tell you, man, they are smooth. As a final sanding, I used 4/0 steel wool. And I tell you, I buffed them to a shine. These things came out really nice. And these things are solid. These will last forever. Like, these will be antiques one day. Branded by Z. But look at that. Isn't that cool? Look at that. That's so cool. Same thing. I love black walnut. So, but yeah, that's what I've been up to over here on the candles. And I've been up to a couple other things here. First one, hey Sammy, is this. This is a birdhouse. My wife is going to paint it. I had to bend all of these trellises here. Little planter boxes here. So we'll have something. This is for food. And in the center, we have a table. It's a lawn table I made out of black walnut and maple, or a poplar. And 2 lounger lawn chairs. They're going to go right here. But I just primed it. So hopefully in the next day or two we'll get this thing painted. And this is actually going to go on a 90-degree bracket underneath, so then it could be mounted to the side of a tree instead of hanging. This one will be mounted right directly to the side of the trunk. So this is another project. It's so cool. And then this one's still drying, but I made a picture frame. What do you think of that? It's all black walnut. I'm still clamping it, like I said, so I still got to do a final sanding, and then I also have to cut the acrylic and the backer for that. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool. I had some miscellaneous pieces of black walnut, so I went ahead and used them on this. And this picture frame is actually pretty cool. 5x7 picture. But once I put some finish on this, I'm actually making, I'll video it, a homemade finish with a urethane in it that I'm going to use on this. Because I really want that black walnut, the grains, I really want a beautiful luster. Like, look at the grains on those. So that is what I've been up to. And little future project idea here. Right here. Yep. So that's what I'm up to. Happy farming, y'all. Later.